Hello friends, and welcome to AK Agrawal Aptitude series. Friends, in this session we are going to learn a technique for solving a problem on permutation and combination. Here the given problem is, in how many different ways can the letters of word reading be arranged in such a way that the vowels always come together. So friends, word is reading. It is having seven letters, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 letters. So in how many different ways these 7 letters can be arranged so that all the vowels E, A, I, 3 vowels are there, they are always together. So friends, to answer this question, first let us consider these 3 vowels E, A, I. It can be treated as one letter. So now the letter will be R, D, N, G, and E, A, I, it can be treated as single letters. So now it is made of 5 letters, R, D, N, G, and 3 vowels, E, A, I, it is a single letter. So these 5 letters can be arranged in factorial 5 ways. Factorial 5 means 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 120 ways. So these 5 letters can be arranged in 120 ways. But these E, A, I, these 3 vowels can be arranged in factorial 3 ways. These 3 letters can also be arranged in factorial 3 ways. Factorial 3 means 3 into 2 into 1 is equal to 6 ways. It means in total number of ways is equal to 120 into 6 is equal to 720. So these letters of the word R, D, A reading can be arranged in 720 ways in which 3 vowels will be together. Now if we just slightly modify the problem one step further, let us find out the solution for in how many different ways can the letters of the word calculator be arranged in such a way that the vowels always come together. Same question, only thing in place of reading we have chosen the another word calculator. In this calculator, if you see, C is double, L is double, A is double. So if such type of a problem is there, how to solve this? So again, what we want all the vowels should come together. So there are 4 vowels, A, U, A, O. It can be treated as single letter. If we treat A, U, A, O single letter, then word will be C, L, C, L, T, R, A, U, A, O. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and these 7. These 7 letters can be arranged in factorial 7 ways. But here if you see, C is double and L is double. So this factorial 7 divided by factorial 2 into factorial 2, because these 6 letters and 1 letter, these 6 letters, C is double, L is double. So total 6 plus 1, 7 letters can be arranged in factorial 7 ways. Double C means we divide by factorial 2. Double L means divide by factorial 2. So total number of ways 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 divided by 2 into 1, 2 into 1 is equal to 1260 ways. So these 7 letters can be arranged in 1260 ways. But these 4 vowels, they can also be arranged in factorial 4 ways. The A, U, A, O, these vowels should be together. These can be arranged in factorial 4 ways. But A is repeated here. A is repeated. So factorial 4 divided by factorial 2. It means in 12 ways. So total number of ways is equal to 1260 into 12. That is 15120. So letters of the word calculator can be arranged in 15,120 ways provided all the vowels are together. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video. You can also follow me on Facebook. Thank you.